Hello there and welcome to my little tutorial on how to get your VRChat avatar uploaded to your VRChat account. So if you've just commissioned me, first of all, thank you. Second of all, you're going to see that I sent you this little thing called a Unity package. You're going to want to download this and this will come in handy soon. You're going to need the VRChat Creator Companion installed along with Unity. If you haven't done this yet, there are heaps of tutorials on YouTube. Just search something like how to install the VRChat Creator Companion and you'll find a very helpful tutorial there. Now you've got the Creator Companion. Great, there's just two more small things to do. In the top of the description of this video, I'll put these two links here. This is to download and install VRCFury and Poiyomi. Poiyomi is the shaders that most avatars use, and then VRCFury is something that's used to very easily add things to your avatar. Hello, VoiceOver Tonic here. I just want to mention that this is the only time you ever have to do this. Once you have the VRCFury and Poiyomi repositories added, you'll be able to easily add them to new projects whenever you need them in future. You're going to want to click this link here to add it to the Creator Companion, and then click Open Link. It should do some magic. You can check to see if it worked if you come over to the Creator Companion, and then click Settings, and then click Packages. I'm going to have to scroll down because I have quite a few. We can see that it did not work. That's okay. If the link did not add it, then just come up to the top right here, click Add Repository, and then come back to the VRCFury download page, and you're going to want to copy this link here, and then go back into the Creator Companion, paste it right here, and then click Add. Awesome, it's going to prompt this, and you're going to click I understand, Add Repository. Then come over to the Poiyomi one. You can click this link and see if it works. For me, I'm just going to copy the link, come back into the Creator Companion, click Add Repository, paste the link in, and then click Add. Click I understand, Add Repository. You should now see VRCFury repo and Poiyomi VPM repo here. Perfect, now you can create your project. Come over here to Projects, and then click Create New Project. You're going to want to click Unity 2022 Avatar Project and name it whatever. For this example, I'm using a Vulpa model, so I'm just going to call this Tonic Vulpa. And then click Create Project. It's going to take a second to create, but after it's created, you're going to see a big list here. It's important that if you see any green upgrade arrows here, that you should click them. And then if any pop-ups come up like this, just click Confirm. This will make sure all the packages are on the latest version. Now that you've done that, you can scroll down and find the VRCFury and Poiyomi toon shader and click the little pluses to the right of these. You'll have to do them one at a time and give them a second, but after the first one has finished, you can come back down and add the other. You're almost done. Now click Open Project. This will take quite a while to load initially as it's your first time opening the project, but in future, opening it should be a lot quicker. Alright, that's all loaded, so now you can come and grab the file that I sent you, the Unity package, and drag and drop this into your Unity. Give it a second to load and then click Import. This also might take a second. Once that's finished loading, you'll see this little thing down here called Open Me. I usually title it Open Me or something similar. Double click on this and you should see your avatar here. You can hold right click to look around and then use WASD while holding right click to move the viewer around. Then come up the top here and click on VRChat SDK and then click Show Control Panel. You can click and drag on this top area here to drag it around, and then click and drag on the VRChat SDK thing itself, and you can nest it right next to the inspector here. You're now going to enter in your VRChat details. This has no affiliation with me, none of this information goes into me, this is just what you have to do to upload it to your account. So enter in your details and click sign in, and then once you've signed in, you'll see something along the lines of this. It's important to note that if you have a Quest version of your avatar, you'll see them both in the top left here. For example, Vulpa PC and Vulpa Quest. You're going to want to upload the PC version first. So over here in Selected Avatar, make sure Vulpa PC is selected. You can then give your avatar a name, give it a description, and you can either capture an image in the scene, like this, or you can click Select Image and upload one from your computer. For this example, I'm just going to click this, capture, and then make sure the build type is set to build and publish your avatar online, and then click build and publish. Simply click OK on this, and then it will begin to upload. If all you have is a PC version of your avatar, then congratulations, all you have to do is wait for this to finish and you're all done. When you load up VRChat now, you should find it under the My Avatars section in your avatars list. If you have a Quest version, then wait for this to upload and then I'll show you the next steps. Alright, the upload is successful on the PC version, so we're going to click the little X there, and then come over to your Quest version. Click on Content Manager in the top right, and then you should see your avatar that you've just uploaded there. If you don't, you can click Fetch and it will reload it. On the PC version that you've just uploaded, click Copy ID. Then up the top, click on Inspector, and then you're going to want to click on the Quest version of your avatar in the top left here. In my case, it's called Vulpa Quest. Then come back to the right panel, scroll down and find this little slot here. It's called the Blueprint Manager, and you're going to see a field called Blueprint ID. Click on this and paste in what you just copied from the other page, and then click Attach. Finally, come back up to the VRChat SDK panel, click back on the builder again, and then under Selected Avatar, click the Quest version. It should show all the same details here as your PC avatar, such as the name, icon, and description. The final step now is to come and click down here where it says Windows, uncheck Windows, and now click Android. Once you click anywhere, it's going to prompt you with this, just click Confirm. This is going to take a while, but it's now going to prepare your project to upload the Quest version. Keep in mind that if in future you do want to make changes to the PC version and re-upload it, then make sure to uncheck Android and recheck Windows before you re-upload the PC version. Alright, that's finished loading, and you might see some errors here, but don't worry about these, because as you can see, the selected one is currently the Vulpr PC. So click on that again, and click on Vulpr Quest, or whatever the Quest version of your avatar is called. Now, you can come down to the bottom, click Build and Publish, and then wait for it to upload, and then you're all done! Woohoo! You now have an avatar that is uploaded and compatible with both PC and Quest versions of the game. If you are watching this video because you commissioned me, once again, thank you so much, I appreciate you, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.